Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I am glad to talk about this sample provided by Ales Nutrition. It's flavor banana, so it's 7 ounces. And what I love about this cereal is that it doesn't have any gluten, soy, dairy, and it's also non-GMO. So 3 tablespoons, 60 calories. In here you have all the nutritional facts, vitamins, minerals, and protein. All you have to do is mix 3 tablespoonfuls with water, formula, and mix it well and serve it with a spoon. I hope you enjoy it. I like to use it on my son, on my toddler, and it's delicious. It has a good flavor. It has a good consistency, and I like the clean nutrition that they offer. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and thank you for watching my video.